Good morning. Got a question the other day about how to cut a VIM pan to size. So we're just gonna measure. Gonna go from one side. I got 22 inches to the pipe, 44 inches to the wall. So I'm gonna take my 22 inches, put it to the center of the VIM pan, mark my mark, and 44. So we have these lines already that are in the pan. Get our pan cut, and I use a butterfly bit. Spin the pan around. We want to make sure that the hub of the VIM system is not interfering with the wood underneath. We're about 1/4 of an inch higher, and we'll refloat and slope this pan all the way through.